Okay, DD. So checking out this base. Okay, so let's have a look. Yep, Slapaho. Don't you have an alt called Slapaho? Interesting. Anyway, so let's check it out. Let's see what they've got. Let's see what's on here. So let's sort by player level. Okay, let's got some high players. Let's sort by troop count. We've got some high troops too. Okay, let's have a look at the Taunter situation. Okay, so there's a 500 Taunter with 3,000 troops. 3,000 troops isn't all that many, so it's pretty easy to have more troops than that. But the problem is, okay, let's have a look. Troop count. Oops, hang on a second. Let's have a look at all the Primarchs and go sort by troop count. Okay, so the majority don't have too many troops on them, you see, so I've sorted by troop count. I'm looking at all the troops on the castle. Here's another way of looking at it. Here, this might be what you're more familiar with. Let's go Primarchs. And okay. So Bumblebee, he's got 10,000 troops, but he's a level 525. So 10,000 troops isn't all that really many to go in for a single attack and hit and kill 10,000 troops. You need to have maybe 3,000 troops on you. Okay, but you got to be able to hit that 525. It's pretty damn strong. And look at his defense rating. It's a fucking 1,000. That's fucking huge. It's a silver 2 trapper. And then you've got this 464 with 5,000, and then a 555 with 5,000, and then the numbers just drop and drop and drop. There's a lot of big levels there. Okay, this is not going to be an easy team to hit. I mean, look at their levels. It's just like 400, 400, 500, 400, 500, 500, 500, 500, 475, 479, 461. They're a fucking beastie team. And not only that, their fort is level 9. It's a level 9 fort. Okay. Level 9. So that means even if you do get to guards, their default base for hitting guards is going to be fucking tough. Okay, so not a good castle to hit. Okay, so you want to look for castles. Okay. Alright, so these areas here with like level 4s and things like that, they're typically bigger teams. So let's have a little mosey along around here and find, okay, let's go over here and let's start looking. First thing to do this, have a look, troop count. Okay, not too many troops. Not a great target, but let's have a look and see what they've got Taunter wise. And it's not too big. Okay. What about another one which is Access Castle? Okay, so this one here. Let's see what they've got on them. Taunters. Yeah, there's a 300 there. 300. But this is the quick way to just go around and quickly see what teams have got. Okay. Okay, look at that. There's a level 88 with 6,499 troops. I think you're about that level, somewhere around there. You can hit that guy. He's only worth 50% glory to me because because I'm level 280 or whatever. But you'd be able to whack him. Okay, what is it? It's this one here, I think. Yeah, level 88 with 6,500 troops. So you can go in there with your your siege, and I don't know, 2,000 troops, knock all those out. Okay, and then you might want to hit one of the other guys. Let's have a look and see what else is there. Let's have a look, troop count. Okay, you don't want to hit the 400. And that's about it. You don't hit that one target. Everyone else is not so good. Okay, who else could you hit? What about these guys? So what I'm doing is I'm scanning along. I'm scanning along the safe zones. Okay, and I'm looking for the access road. You see the access road? So I'm coming here, check out this castle. Okay, let's have a look at the Taunter situation. There's one Taunter, but it's a big Taunter with 5,000 troops. Let's steer away from that. Find a different target, something softer. Okay, we've got the safe zone. It's kind of moving. There's like a little, it goes up, then it goes off to the side. Okay, let's just keep on following the side. Taunters, let's have a look at the Taunters. Okay, there's 6,000 on a 378. Okay, it's no good. This one here is accessible. Okay, there's a bit of a high Taunter there, but it's only got 1,500 troops, which is not too many. So you can easily have more troops than him. Let's have a look at troop count. And then there's just too many high levels there, so forget it. Not good. Let's check out this mob. Again, high level Taunters. Forget it. Just keep moving. Yeah, there's a high level Taunter, but low troops. So maybe there's something else worth hitting. Let's go troop count. Okay, there's a 335 with a lot of troops. Well, look, there's an 83 with 6,700 troops. You could whack that. Okay, to whack that, all you'd have to do is make sure that you have more troops than the Taunter does. So let's just remind ourselves how many troops the Taunter has. 1,869. So you could go in there with 2,000 troops and then take out that level 88. What was that level 88? Let's just remind ourselves. It was, I think it was a blue Primarch. It was level 83. Yeah, so level 83. So you just tap around the outside until you find him, hopefully, if he's around the outside. There he is. Last one. Always the last one. Yeah. So you just roll on there with about 2,000 troops, knock him out, and then just move on to the next castle. It's not too hard to find targets. So in however long this video is going, it doesn't tell me, does it? No, fuck it. So however long this video is taking, yeah, I found, 2 or maybe 3 potential targets. So you could just go in, do a hit, and move on, find another one. Just keep going. And you'll build up your glory. You will absolutely build up your glory. Okay, good luck. If you've got questions, just ask me.